Templates simplify your imaging workflows by storing frequently used copy, scan, and fax features as convenient one-touch buttons. Perform the following steps to register a scan job template on the home screen. Press Scan and then select Email. Program desired scan job settings. For this activity, a common scan job will be stored as a scan to email template for capturing Microsoft DocX files. Select or input email address and then tap Detail. Select DocX from the File Format drop-down menu and then press OK. For this template, additional scan settings will be programmed, including color mode, full color, and resolution, 300 dpi. Tap the template option at the top of the screen to create a one-touch button of these scan settings on the home screen. Select desired location to store the template on the home screen. Press the right arrow and then select an open button location. Select desired icon and use Name 1 and Name 2 fields to personalize the template. Tap OK when done. To access the template, tap the Home button. Press the right arrow and then select the program template, and all stored scan settings will be loaded.